Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace side glass, side window on Honda Odyssey. If yours is broken, scratched, you need to replace it for some reason, or you're replacing the whole door like we're doing and we need to put our glass on a new door, we'll show you how to remove that, how to replace it guys. Stay with us, please help us grow the channel together guys, be part of it, and let's go start working on it now. Alright guys, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and right here now there is one screw that we need to remove. We have a link for all the tools and parts that we use guys on Amazon, for Amazon on our website mechanic-lifestyle.com. You can find it in the description under the video below. We're building the site now and just sharing all the links where we get our stuffs from. Now right here there is another cap, you can see right here, that we need to open. Okay, like that. Oh, but it's still stuck now. Okay, right there. So we're trying to pull it out. I think we'll need to use a smaller screwdriver or a trim removal tool for this one now. Okay, right there guys, you see that's the one that you need to press in and pull it out. Because right here underneath there are two screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we'll need to remove. They're a little bit hidden. So one is out, one more to go. For the second one you can close the door handle all the way. Okay, like that. So with the trim removal tool guys, we need to remove that switch now because there is a hidden screw underneath it, so be gentle. Okay, there are a few clips holding it. Okay, it came up. Now we need to disconnect the wire. Okay, right here, this one you need to push in, you need to pull the wire out. It's a little bit short wire, so not as convenient. Okay, started coming out. Okay, perfect, like that. Now let us show you where the screw is. Okay, right here, you can see that's pretty hidden there. So removing this one now. Okay, right there. Now underneath there you can get the prying tool and start removing the door panel guys. It has a few clips holding it and then we need to slide it up. Okay, you see what I'm talking about. To go over the lock. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect. We need to disconnect a couple wires. Okay, this one here for the light. Press in, pull out, and now we need to disconnect the locking cable right here. Okay, like that. And then you just pull it out. Then you need to remove that thing to the side. Okay, this one is a little bit stuck. Okay, open it like that and pull it out guys. And the door panel is out of the way now. Next guys, we'll need to remove that weather insulation, that plastic here. So there are a few caps that we need to pull out. And you don't have to remove the whole thing, but we do because we'll be installing it on a new door. So you have to be careful, don't break it because you'll be able to hear wind noise in the car. You'll get some cold or hot air when you're driving as well. So just gently start pulling it out, work your way around the whole thing. Okay, you can see it does unglue, and when you press it back in, it should glue back to the door with no problem at all. Okay, we got the cables out of the way. Okay, and this one there as well. You can see the whole weather insulation is out of the way now. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the way. Now we need to bring the window down. Okay, to that point right here that you can reach the bolts. There are two bolts. Let me turn the light on. Maybe you can see a little bit better with 10 millimeter now. Okay, we got those loose now. And we'll take them off all the way now. Okay, this one's loose too. Okay, just like that. Next we need to remove a couple bolts and a nut with a 10 millimeter socket. This is for the rail that holds the side window. Okay, like that. Okay guys, so next what we will need to do right here, you grab the seal for the window like that. Okay, and just pull it out. Okay, on this side. Then we can bring the window up. Okay, you need to work your way around it, careful not to have any pressure on it. Okay, and pull it out. You can see guys, this is the glass. That's how you remove it. You replace it and put everything together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.